Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash cedar roof cleaning job. This is a very big property. The cedar shakes are not in very good condition, but they will benefit from the soft washing process today. We're going to be killing all the contaminants living and growing on the roof, allowing the roof to dry out. This roof has a lot of brown rot fungi, a lot of moss, a lot of lichen, algae, everything that you could imagine with a cedar roof is here. And so this is the before picture documenting everything and showing you guys just what we do. You can see up in that valley there's a lot of leaves, a lot of moss. And we'll take you around to the back of the house. This house is on a lake here. We're gonna be trimming up a bunch of trees that are on the roof today. The trees are actually wrecking the roof up there, as you can see. So this is a very big property. And the roof on this house is very expensive to replace. So we're gonna be soft washing everything here today and adding life and many years to this cedar roof. This roof is in desperate need of our services here. You can see just how dark these shakes are. There's a lot of things going on with them here. So we're going to brighten these shakes up today, and we're going to kill all the contaminants living and growing on these cedar shakes. Beautiful house on the lake here. This is a pretty big roof. Very neat castle type roof here. We'll be spraying all sides of that. Up on the deck, there's actually a sauna. It used to be a pool house up there. They turned it into a sauna, and that's got its own roof. So we got 4 sides of a little roof up there that we're spraying as well. And this is the north side of the building over here. And so as you're gonna see in a moment, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot of heavy moss on this roof over here. It's one of the worst things you can see on a cedar shake roof because it doesn't allow the shingles to dry out. So as you can see here, we have a big problem. So we're going to be cleaning out the valley, all the leaves and all the debris before we start. We're going to be killing all that moss that's growing on this roof. And this is the garage here now. This is the back side of the garage. We're going to be trimming up this tree off the roof as well. You can see the branches are actually touching the roof. And here again we have another big problem. A lot of moss. Here's the back side of that boathouse, pool house I should say. Now it's a sauna, but that roof is in desperate need of soft washing as well. So if you have a cedar roof that looks like this anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. We have more YouTube videos on soft wash roof cleaning than any company in Minnesota. We've been doing this a long time. I was a roofer for over 10 years, and I offer a free roof inspection with every roof cleaning. We can also repair your roof if it's in need of repair. And here again, we got some tree branches that are going to get trimmed up. But this is a very dark roof. A lot of green stuff going on here as well. A lot of moss, a lot of lichen, brown rot fungi, everything you can imagine growing on this roof. So we're going to be killing everything that lives on this roof and adding years to the life of this roof and bringing the beauty back that the cedar once had. So you'll see in our after video that this roof will be a much brighter color. It'll look much cleaner. It will have a chance to dry out because right now the brown rot fungi is holding the moisture into the cedar, and it's causing the roof to have premature roof failure, so the cedar is not going to last as long as it should. So on the back side of that roof there, you see there's a lot of moss. So everything that's living on this roof needs to be killed here today. So please stay tuned for the before and after pictures and the after video. At the end of this video, we're going to walk around again and show you what the roof looks like after. So thank you so much for watching this video, and again, please stay tuned for the before and after pictures and video. And if you need a roof or building soft wash, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with a during video. We've sprayed most of the left side of that castle, and now we're about to clean the right hand side. We have some touch-ups to do on the left side, but as you can see, the dramatic before and after effects of soft washing a cedar shake roof. If you have a cedar shake roof that you'd like soft wash, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. You can also find us on the web, and we have more YouTube videos on cedar roof cleaning than any company in Minnesota. If you have a cedar roof that you'd like cleaned and maintained, please give us a call, and stay tuned for the after video along with before and after pictures. Thank you. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with an after video. We're finally done soft washing the cedar shakes, and as you can see, they are returned to their original beautiful golden color. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft wash, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Cedar roofs should be maintained and kept clean. Once your roof starts to look brown or black or green, it's time to get it clean. If you have a property that's black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. Please give us a call at 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. We have more YouTube videos on soft washing than any company in Minnesota. We've been doing this a long time. I was a roofer for over 10 years. You can take a look at any roof issues you may have. Keep your roof looking beautiful for years to come. 612-919-4185. Thank you so much.